On April 8, 2024, Montreal and parts of Canada, the US, and Mexico will find themselves in the path of a total solar eclipse. We are going to explain to you what you need to know about total solar eclipses and how you can safely view this once-in-a-lifetime event. First of all, what is a solar eclipse?
A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, blocking out the light from the sun. For those who live in the path of the moon's shadow, called the path of totality, it'll be a total solar eclipse. Since the moon is 400 times smaller than the sun, but also 400 times closer to us than the sun, the moon can cast a shadow on the Earth, covering the entire sun, but allowing the light from the corona, the outermost part of the sun's atmosphere, to be visible. Everywhere except this path will see a partial eclipse, in which a sliver of the sun will remain visible.
Why is this so cool?
There are total solar eclipses every few years, but they are not in North America. The last time a total solar eclipse took place in Montreal was in 1932, and the next one will be in 2205, 180 years from now. Also, the Earth is the only planet in the solar system where our moon is the same apparent size as the sun, so total eclipses are only visible on planet Earth.
When and where will it be visible?
You can look online at timeanddate.com for the exact times that the eclipse will be visible from your location. Here are the details of the eclipse in Point Claire at St. Thomas. The total duration of the eclipse will be 2 hours and 22 minutes. The partial eclipse begins at 2:14 p.m. and it ends at 4:36 p.m. The totality of the eclipse begins at 3:26 p.m. and lasts about a minute. The length of the totality depends on your location. The further north you are, the shorter the length of the totality.
Why must we protect our eyes during a solar eclipse?
Due to the sun's energy in form of ultraviolet rays, it's very damaging to your eyes. It is very important to avoid looking directly at the sun. Exposure to UV light can damage the outer part of your eye, the cornea, and lead to cataracts, tumors, and corneal damage. The retina, made up of a nervous tissue, can be permanently damaged. Since there are no pain receptors in the retina, you will not feel the damage being done. Long-term symptoms include eye pain after several days or hours, blurred vision, dark or yellow spots impacting vision. This damage can create a blind spot in the central vision. The time leading up to and after the moment of totality is known as the partial phase of the eclipse. The brightness of the sun is softened and easier to look at, which reduces our natural reflex to look away. But remember, even if the sun is partially covered by the moon, the rays of the sun are still sending light to your eyes and can damage your eyes.
How do you protect your eyes?
The only way to protect your eyes is to wear specially designed eyewear that filters out ultraviolet radiation and visible light that would damage the retinas of your eyes. It is completely safe to observe the eclipse while wearing eclipse glasses, as they contain solar filters that block out 99.997% of the sun's light. Every student will receive a free pair of these glasses from the school board on Friday, April 5th. Take turns sharing glasses for everyone to look at the sun if you don't have one for every family member. Just remember not to look at the sun when you take off the glasses. Your glasses must be undamaged to protect your eyes, so make sure to keep them in the envelope until you need them. If they are scratched or have a hole, they will be useless to protect your eyes. If the eclipse glasses are too big for your face, hold them in place with your hands. If you wear prescription glasses, wear the eclipse glasses over your glasses and hold them in place so they completely cover your eyes. Sunglasses, including those gifted to you for Be Kind Day, are not sufficient protection. Avoid taking photos or filming with your cell phone to limit the possibility of looking at the sun without certified eclipse glasses.
Sunglasses filter out some ultraviolet rays, but not enough for you to safely watch the eclipse. Even piling several pairs of glasses over your eyes is not enough.
When do you need to protect your eyes?
You must wear the glasses throughout the entire partial covering of the sun. If you are not in the path of totality, like Laval or Pierrefonds, you must keep the glasses on at all times when looking at the sun. If you are in the path of totality, like Dorval or Point Claire, you can remove your glasses when the sun is completely covered by the moon. Please make sure that you put the glasses back on before the end of totality.
Your ordinary sunglasses are very fashionable, but they won't protect your eyes sufficiently. If you are in the path of totality, day will turn into night for a moment. You'll have the chance to see the sun's famous corona, the outer layer of the sun's atmosphere. Only then can you remove your glasses, and that's for 1 to 3 minutes when the sun is completely hidden. But you'll have to put your glasses back on before the end of the totality. If you are outside the path of totality, the sun will be only partially hidden. You'll need to wear your glasses at all times.
What should I do with my eclipse glasses after the eclipse?
You should keep your eclipse glasses in a safe place as they can be reused in the future to watch a total or partial eclipse. If they get damaged, you should put the glasses in the trash as they will not provide enough protection for your eyes.
Where can you go to watch the eclipse with others? In the following locations, there are activities, educational information, and protective eyewear available. You can find more details online.
A. McDonald Campus John Abbott event from 2 to 5 p.m. B. The Montreal Science Center from 1 to 4:36 p.m. C. Parc Jean Drapeau from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Thanks for listening and happy eclipse watching!